how to earn and redeem points with My Best Buy credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. Let's just dive right into the video. So for that, you can just go ahead and download the Best Buy application or go ahead and visit their website, which is bestbuy.ca. And you can basically, once you are logged in for that, look out for the login option at the top right corner, or you can find it up on your login page on your app as well. So once you are logged in, you can basically go to your My Best Buy account to see your available points balance. And then once you are done, once you are logged in, you can basically set your preferences to point banking to save your points until you're ready. And by logging in, you can head over to your account and go to section for redeeming your rewards points. So head over to that section and you can use your card at Best Buy to hit that 5% to 6% back, and you can combine reward certificates with sales, open box deals, and member only offers for maximum savings. And keep an eye out for expiration dates for reward certificates so that you don't lose the value. And we can just go ahead and do so. You can just go and redeem the certificates online or in store by providing your account info. And you may know that every 250 points is equal to $5 reward certificate. You can just go ahead and redeem those and get 5% back in rewards, 6% back if you are Best Buy Elite Plus member, flexible financing options on larger purchases, and you can also earn points on dining and groceries and gas. And that's it. That's how you earn and redeem points with My Best Buy credit card. So if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to save money while you shop. Thank you for watching, and we will be seeing you in the next one.